My guest today is one of the world's most talented cricketers. His career has been a mixed bag of emotions, as he has seen the agony and the ecstasy of the game. He has made us laugh, cheer and cried himself. Please welcome the very emotional, talented Vinod Kambli.
Thanks, Arjun.
Vinod, lovely to see you. How have you been? All fit?
Looking forward for this.
Yeah, you're looking forward to meeting your hater?
Definitely, it's going to be a challenging one, and I'm really looking forward to it. I faced so many bounces in my life, so one more.
Okay, great. I think that's a really nice way of looking at it. And let's find out who this hater really is. And ironically, his name happens to be Sachin.
Oh.
There are no dearth of examples as to why Vinod Kambli is the worst example to follow in Indian cricket. This latest thing on Star News, he goes on and gives an interview. हम चैंपियन बन सकते थे अंजना. मैं वहाँ पे एक साइड पे विकेट पकड़ के खड़ा था और बाकी सब लोग विकेट अपना दिए जा रहे थे. And he also said that आज मेरे दिल का बोझ बहुत हल्का हो गया है अंजना. I mean, dude, like grow up. I mean, be mature. You need national television to get rid of your dil ka boj. So if you know someone who loves getting on TV, on reality shows, making controversial statements, basically, you know, like making a of himself, you can call him Kambli. So I think what Kambli really needs to do is find his purpose in life. He needs to grow up. He's 39 now, so he needs to own up to his mistakes and, you know, stop blaming others for his lack of success or rather failures. So I think he should find that purpose and stop spending time in thinking where his next TV appearance is going to come from.
काफी बाउंसर डाल रहा है तो?
ये बाउंसर नहीं, उसको पता नहीं है कि जिस स्कूल में वो पढ़ता था, उस स्कूल का मैं प्रिंसिपल. देख लेंगे अभी.
Before we go, your hater, we play a prank on this show. Okay, and that's a nice way to kind of get to know your hater. He has no idea that he's coming on this show called Love to Hate You. Okay. So Sachin has no idea. He's been called here to say that he's coming here for an opinion, like a live news cricket show where he's going to give his opinions. What we'll do is we'll have you in another room, okay, where you will be speaking to him. Okay, but he'll think you're speaking to him through a telephone and he'll just hear your voice. He won't know you're in the same studio as him. Then you're going to kind of creep up on him and I will run you through how we're going to do this and give him a bit of a surprise.
That will be interesting. Yeah. I'm looking forward to it.
Yeah.
Very interesting. Let's go and get him.
Yeah.
Because my first ball ever in my cricketing history, when I played, I hit it for a 6. Let's go and hit the first 6 today.
Great. Let's go. Very enthusiastic, Kambli. You can just come up. Your hater will be sitting somewhere here. He'll be sitting in the center here.
Okay.
Okay, and you can just say, boss, what do you want to do? And your setup is back there. Koram will be sitting there, that's Koram. He'll be sitting here. Okay, you'll sit here. This is where you all will start your conversation. These speakers will give you the feed here.
Hi, can I leave my bag somewhere? Okay.
They have their positions. You looking here. Our anchor in the studio is going to connect any moment.
Okay.
Just concentrate. He's going to be talking to you guys.
Okay.
Okay.
Welcome to the best and worst of Indian cricket in 2011. We'll be cutting across to lots of cricket fans across the country, but currently we're discussing about controversies in Indian cricket. But first we'll cut to Sachin. So what is your view on Vinod Kambli's allegation that the 1996 World Cup in Kolkata was fixed?
Now, I'm really surprised that Vinod Kambli takes about 15 years to come up with this allegation because, so it's something like this, you know, if corruption is happening and you're just like passively being a bystander, then obviously you are as corrupt as the ones who are actually taking the bribe. So according to me, it's senseless, immature, because you're choosing a time like this to talk about Indian cricket when we did well with the World Cup and Mohammad Azharuddin is going through a personal tragedy. He doesn't have proof. Like, I saw the interview and when he was talking about this entire thing, it sounded as if, like, you know, he was trying to put up a show himself. I think it's ridiculous, this entire controversy.
I'm very sorry to cut you, but I have Mr. Vinod Kambli on the line.
Who is he?
He's just a cricket fan.
Who is he? Is he the media? Is he the media? I think he must be the media. He must be working in the media. He doesn't know anything about it. What the heck he knows?
No, so definitely I do not know anything because you're maybe a cricket player, I am not, but as a public, I am entitled to an opinion and you're coming out with the opinion in public, right?
If I have to speak the truth, Do you have the guts in that A of yours?
I mean, you're the one who's talking about the truth.
Have you faced the truth?
Which truth are you talking about? Oh my God.
What happened? What happened? Okay?
I wasn't expecting this.
What happened? Tell me.
What I mean, I was told that we are doing not a live thing, right?
You okay? Your pulse are okay?
No, my pulse is racing a bit.
Racing a bit?
Yes, it is. Yes.
I heard a lot of allegations about me.
So allegations have been made by you, Vinod.
See, I faced the truth, okay?
Okay.
I faced the truth.
Okay.
I have played this damn cricket. You know the hard work I have put onto this cricket?
No, definitely, I agree that you must have put a lot of hard work, and everybody
how can
agrees
you-
that
how
you have
can-
so much talent.
How
Vinod,
can-
nobody.
Talent. I'm not talking about talent. Do you know?
So then-
Do you know when after 96 World Cup I was dropped for what you've been saying that I've been dropped on disciplinary ground? Are you the selector?
Definitely, I'm not. But when
This is where we're having
you
that
are using
Are you
discussion
the
for. This is where we're having that discussion for that cricket thing.
Yeah. Yeah. Just.
Yeah, I do. How are you? What's up? All well, Naveen? You did a really good job acting. And so did you. Well done. And Sachin,
Hi.
you are going to be sandwiched between us. Welcome
Love to hate you.
Yes, welcome
And I've
to
seen
Love to
holdings
Hate
of
You.
the show everywhere in Bandra, in Chembur, and I wasn't expecting to be on the show.
Well, you're on the show, and that's the person you love to hate, Mr. Vinod Kambli.
Don't
and
hate
you
me.
have.
Don't hate me.
Now, we will find that out
love to
later
hate
if he would love to hate you or not. But don't worry,
Okay.
I'm a neutral guy on this show,
Alright.
and therefore I've come to also protect you, understand your opinions,
Okay.
figure out if there's really any credibility behind those opinions, and we want to also find out with and I hopefully Vinod, who's been gracious enough to be here, okay, is going to bring some clarity to all those thoughts. You are nervous right now.
Yes, I am. A bit nervous, obviously, because
Okay,
you don't expect to.
don't be.
like-
We are going to give you time to get your heartbeat back to normal.
He's pretty intimidating when you meet him for the first time. He's tall, he's dark, he's got the mustache, he's bald. And the way he was speaking, I was like, this guy is going to like beat the out of me or something like that, because I've said such nonsense about him.